All right, so now we want to make sure that all the slop from the inside is out. Then you take a sponge, and if it's too big to get the sponge down there, you can take one of these sponges and put it on a stick, and you have a stick on a sponge. You just go down there like that with it. So what I like to do, grab this tool here and just start removing the clay. But be very careful at this point, because this base is what's holding all of this together. The base and the rim. So you want to slowly remove more and more clay. And here's a little trick here. You can be really careful when you do this, but it's such a good move. If you want to remove a lot of clay, just go and take your needle tool, go all the way down till you hear it scraping on the bat like that, okay? Put it down, slowly spin it, all right? And then, should be able to just get all of this off just like that. See? There. And then you take this bad boy and remove any more. And then you come in and you can really clean up down there. See? Now your pot is trimmed. It's got a nice little foot on it, and you won't have to sit there and trim it in front of your other potter buddies who will be making fun of you because you left all that clay down there in the first place.